Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something for your car, maintaining it. However, before we get on that, I want to thank all the subscribers that have joined my channel and helped me move along here. I also want to thank channel members. The channel has two different levels of channel members. There is the prepper level, which is 99 cents a month, and the Grayman level, which is $1.99 a month. And so I want to thank them for their support and let them know that coming out soon will be a members only training video. All right? Okay, also, for those of you that haven't joined and subscribed to the channel, you can take this opportunity now and hit that subscribe button. I believe it's down over here. YouTube keeps moving it around. You click on it a second time, and your waves of notification pops up. Best way is just go ahead and click all. That way you'll get the notifications whenever I post a new video. All right? Also, everyone, please don't forget, thumbs up helps with YouTube's analytics, as do comments down below. You know, I like this video, I didn't like it, I thought this was great, I thought you could improve on that, whatever. All righty? Okay, now let's get on to the topic for today. Today's topic is oil filter wrenches. Now, there's a whole bunch of different tools called filter wrenches that you can use to change the oil filter on your car, truck, piece of tractors, other pieces of equipment. And they come everything from a simple strap you slide up on it and wrench on it to a matched cup that matches the scallops in the bottom of it, so it locks onto it, and you put a ratchet underneath of it. And there are several other different types as well. Check them out. See which one works best for what you have, and if it's something you really think you need. All right? Because time comes, you may be needing to do the oil changes yourself instead of paying the $120 down here at Jiffy Lube or Oil Changers or whatever the heck it is that's charging insane amounts to change oil. All right? Okay, so also, I want to give you some other information here. You really need to help get your friends, relatives, co-workers, neighbors prepared. And so for that, I'm going to put a couple of playlists over here on this side here. There will be the Prepping for Beginners playlist and the Prepping in Private playlist. And later this fall, I'll be adding more videos to those playlists as well. I'm also going to put up on this side here the link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, which I do a lot of gardening and improving the properties around here. I do some how-to videos, and I've done a bunch of prepping videos over there as well too. All right, so Camp Pat and Family Compound, Prepping for Beginners, Prepping in Private, and get your friends to get prepared, because you don't want them coming after your supplies and taking your stuff from you and your family and making you end up like this.